Oh, this is the unboxing of TanBaby LED garage light. I got this from Amazon for 29 bucks. Um, it's raining outside today, so I thought I could do this little project. This box has been sitting on my desk for a few days. It's the typical Amazon box and a box deal here. But it arrived safely, so that's good. So there it is, a TanBaby. This is marketed as a garage light, 6,000 lumens daylight bulb. You can see it has those little LED panels that you can move around to point the light the direction you want. And I thought that would be a good thing up in the attic because I just have the one little light socket up there to try to light up the whole area, and I need to do a lot of work in that attic. It's just kind of shocking what it looks like, but I suppose a lot of people's attics are like that. A little instruction book, but really all you do is just screw this into the light fixture. There's not a lot to it. It's packed in there pretty nicely. I tell you, this next part you'll see me almost drop it here. Some little screws to attach something. I grabbed that little protector and it just almost slipped right out of my hands. They included this extra little piece in there. I guess if you had a receptacle, you might be able to put that into the receptacle and then attach the light to that. But anyway, there you see you can move them. Little Darth Vader X-Wing sort of thing there. Standard light socket bulb. Looks like it's pretty well made to me. And of course these LEDs last forever, so I shouldn't have to put another bulb in. It's a little expensive, of course, at $30. But should perform a lot better than a single bulb. And I think it'll throw less heat too, so that was what I was thinking. There's that. I didn't use that part. I'll just put that in my parts bin for later. Anyway, let's take it up in the attic and see how it works. The old fold down stairs. This is a lot better than using a ladder, but for a big guy it's still a little bit shaky. Anyway, I've got my headlamp on so you can see how dark it is in the attic with no bulb at all. I had taken the bulb out before I started filming. Just to screw the little gizmo into the fixture. It doesn't have an on and off switch, but I have a pull chain on the fixture, so that's fine. And pow, light. We have light. Adjust it just a little bit. I wanted it to shine the light back into those dark reaches of the attic back there. I hope to eventually get some more flooring up in there and maybe use this area for some extra storage. Grab the camera here and show you how the light penetrates the attic space. So you can see that it throws enough light to shine pretty far back in there. So this is good. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching.